welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be drawing an advanced anime eye. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna start out with a sort of kind of curve. It's basically a line with somewhat of a curve. And then you're gonna come over here and draw another smaller one. I'm gonna extend this one a little bit more. You're gonna draw that, and then you're gonna start up here and draw pretty much a circle until you reach all the way back up. And then I'm actually just gonna extend that a little bit more. And then you are going to draw in a reflection right here. Just leave that part white, and then you're gonna start out with coloring pretty hard in right here. Actually, we're just gonna put a circle, not a really even circle, and then color it all in. Okay, color it in, color it in as dark as you can. And then we're just gonna keep on pressing down pretty hard over here. And then as we get further down, we're gonna start going a little bit lighter. Until you come to that end, and you can go back and add some more contrast. Okay, so now after you're done with that, you are going to want to leave this part thin, but start thickening up here by the corners. Just anywhere that's not by the corners, you don't want to thicken at all, but you want to thicken the rest of the eye quite a bit. And then bring this down right here. Kind of put like a little shadow in this corner of the eye, and leave the edges thin. Now we're gonna start by drawing. We're gonna start again and draw some eyelids or eyelashes. Just gonna come down like a little pattern. We're gonna go down and then back up with a little bit of a curve like that. And then we're gonna start going back like the opposite way. We're gonna keep on going down and basically crossing them over each other. You don't have to put as many of these like that. And that's about how you draw the eye. Okay, that is how you draw an advanced anime eye. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.